What's the meaning of backslash? Backslash. Backslash.
Backslash. Backslash. A backslash is a type of character that is commonly used in computing and programming. It is represented by the symbol, and is typically used to indicate special characters or formatting in text documents or code. Some common uses of the backslash include indicating a line break, escaping special characters in code, and representing non-printable characters such as tabs or spaces. The backslash is a powerful tool for developers and programmers, and understanding its various uses can be key to creating effective and efficient code. Ultimately, the backslash is an essential component of modern computing and a fundamental part of programming languages.